Huge AI news, OpenAI's stunning new AI image model and robotics company. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some huge AI news to cover. Like seriously big, we're talking about the kind of advancements that make you rethink what's possible. From OpenAI's latest breakthrough to a stunning new AI image model and a new robotics company that's making waves, the AI world is buzzing right now. We're gonna break it all down, look at the tech behind it and talk about what it all means. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's dive into the future of AI. First up, OpenAI. You know them, the folks who brought us ChatGPT and DALL-E 2. Yeah, those guys. They've been on a roll lately, and their latest project is no exception. We're talking about a new AI system that's capable of understanding and generating human-like code. And I don't just mean simple scripts, I'm talking about complex algorithms and software applications. This is a potential game changer, people. Imagine a world where anyone, regardless of their coding experience, could build their own apps and websites just by describing what they want to a computer. That's the kind of future this technology could unlock. Now I know what you're thinking. MKBHD, is this the end of developers? And the answer is, not quite. While this AI is incredibly powerful, it's still a tool. It's going to change the way developers work, making them more efficient and allowing them to tackle even more complex projects. But it's not about replacing humans, it's about augmenting our abilities. The tech community is buzzing about this one, and rightfully so. Some are calling it the holy grail of AI, while others are more cautious, pointing out the potential ethical concerns. And they're right to do so. We need to be mindful of the implications of this technology and ensure it's used responsibly. But there's no denying the potential here. This is a major leap forward in the world of AI. We've seen some incredible demos of this technology in action, and the results are impressive. It can generate code in multiple programming languages, debug existing code, and even explain complex code concepts in plain English. This is huge for education too. Imagine students being able to learn coding concepts faster and more intuitively with the help of this AI. It could revolutionize the way we teach and learn computer science. OpenAI is planning to release this technology to the public soon, and I, for one, can't wait to see what people do with it. It's going to be fascinating to witness the creative applications and innovations that emerge from this breakthrough. But it's not just about the code itself. It's about the potential this technology has to democratize access to technology. With this AI, anyone can be a creator. Anyone can build the tools and solutions they need. This has the potential to empower individuals and communities, fostering innovation and economic growth. It's an exciting time to be following the world of AI, and OpenAI is leading the charge with this groundbreaking development. Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning. As this technology continues to evolve and mature, we can expect even more impressive applications and use cases to emerge. The future is looking bright, and it's powered by AI. Let me know in the comments what you think of this breakthrough and what you'd build with this technology. Next up, we're talking about a stunning new AI image model that's taking the creative world by storm. This isn't your average image filter, folks. This AI can generate incredibly realistic and detailed images from scratch, just from text descriptions. You tell it what you want to see, and boom, it creates it for you. It's like having a personal digital artist at your beck and call, 24/7. And the level of detail and realism in these images is mind-blowing. We're talking photorealistic landscapes, portraits that look like they were painted by a master artist, and even surreal abstract art that pushes the boundaries of imagination. It's truly remarkable what this AI can do. But what sets this image model apart from the competition? Well, for starters, it's incredibly versatile. It can generate images in a wide range of styles, from photorealism to impressionism to abstract art. It's also highly customizable. You can tweak the parameters and settings to fine-tune the image to your liking, controlling everything from the lighting and composition to the overall mood and atmosphere. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to use. You don't need to be a Photoshop wizard or a seasoned artist to create stunning visuals with this AI. Just type in what you want to see and let the AI do the rest. It's that simple. This is a game changer for artists, designers, and anyone who needs to create high-quality visuals quickly and easily. Imagine being able to generate concept art for your next film project in seconds, or create custom illustrations for your website or marketing materials with just a few clicks. The possibilities are endless. We've seen some incredible examples of what this AI can do, from generating breathtaking landscapes and cityscapes to creating realistic portraits of people who don't even exist. It's even being used to create original artwork that's being sold at art galleries and auctioned off for thousands of dollars. That's right. This AI is creating art that's good enough to be considered fine art. But it's not just about the art itself. It's about the potential this technology has to democratize creativity. With this AI, anyone can be an artist. Anyone can bring their ideas to life visually. This has the potential to unlock a wave of new creativity and expression, as people from all walks of life are empowered to create and share their visions with the world. It's an exciting time to be a creative, and this AI is at the forefront of this revolution. I'm excited to see how artists and designers will incorporate this technology into their workflows and what new forms of art and expression will emerge from this innovation. This is just the beginning, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for AI-powered image generation. Stay tuned, because things are about to get really interesting. Chapter 3. Finally, let's talk about a new robotics company that's making waves with its innovative approach to automation. This isn't your typical robotics company churning out industrial robots for factories. These guys are focused on building robots that can work alongside humans in everyday environments, from homes and offices to hospitals and schools. And they're doing it with a focus on safety, affordability, and user-friendliness. Their robots are designed to be approachable and non-intimidating, with sleek designs and intuitive interfaces that make them easy to interact with. But don't let their friendly appearance fool you. These robots are packing some serious technological firepower under the hood. We're talking advanced sensors, machine learning algorithms, and cutting-edge robotics hardware that allow these robots to navigate complex environments, manipulate objects with precision, and even learn and adapt to their surroundings. This company's mission is to create robots that can assist humans with a wide range of tasks, freeing us up to focus on more creative, fulfilling, and higher-level work. Imagine having a robot assistant that could help you with household chores, run errands, or even provide companionship. That's the kind of future this company is building towards, and it's not as far-fetched as it sounds. They've already developed a range of robots for various applications, including a robot that can assist with elderly care, a robot that can help with inventory management in retail stores, and even a robot that can serve food and drinks in restaurants. And they're just getting started. The company is constantly innovating and developing new robots and applications for their technology. One of the things that sets this company apart is its commitment to ethical and responsible robotics. They understand that robots have the potential to displace jobs and disrupt industries, and they're committed to working with policymakers and industry leaders to ensure that their robots are used in a way that benefits society as a whole. They're also focused on making their robots accessible to everyone, not just large corporations and wealthy individuals. They believe that everyone should have access to the benefits of robotics technology, and they're working to make their robots affordable and available to as many people as possible. This company is leading the charge in a new era of robotics, one where robots are no longer confined to factories and research labs, but are integrated into our daily lives, working alongside us to make our lives easier, safer, and more fulfilling. It's an exciting time to be following the world of robotics, and this company is at the forefront of this revolution. Stay tuned, because the future of robotics is looking bright, and it's happening right here, right now. That's all for today's AI News Roundup. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest in tech and AI. We've covered some seriously groundbreaking stuff today, from AI that can code to AI that can create art, and even robots that are changing the way we live and work. The world of AI is evolving at an incredible pace, and it's only going to get more exciting from here. Who knows what amazing new technologies and applications we'll see in the months and years to come? Leave a comment below on which AI development you're most excited about. Are you ready to embrace the future of AI? Let me know in the comments below.